Hello everyone and everybody, welcome back my channel Car Technology. So in this video I show everyone how to reset oil maintenance request soon. Yeah, for the message so on the combination meter or MID. Okay, this model Toyota Land Cruiser model year 2023 or 24 ZX. Okay, now let's start. Okay, you can you can do yourself. Yeah, now go to setting and then scroll left hand right hand for find the setting in the HD. Okay, or combustion meter. Now screw right hand, left hand, or screw down. Screw down and for setting, and then for setting, and then screw down for oil maintenance and enter, and screw up and enter. Yes. Okay, everyone can do yourself on your car. Okay, in this video finish and complete. Thank you for watching in this video.